And here we are, Act 4, Scene 2. Things are getting heated. All right. Before that, please download the app to get access to all the free content. I keep repeating the same line because some of you just don't do it. So I'll keep repeating. By the way, कर लो यार. All right, Scene 2 from Act 4. तो अभी मैकबेथ विजय से मिलके आया है और उसको सब कुछ साफ साफ दिख रहा है, और अब वो पीछे पड़ा है किसके? मैकडफ के, कि यार देखो डबल श्योर होऊंगा, मैकडफ को छोड़ूंगा तो नहीं. एंड बाय द वे उसको न्यूज मिली है कि मैकडफ हैज फ्लेड टू इंग्लैंड. बोला ठीक है, तो उसके कासल पे अटैक करके जो भी मिलेगा, द वाइफ, द चिल्ड्रन, द सर्वेंट्स, द फैमिली, आई विल किल एवरीबॉडी. 5. मैकडफ्स कासल. एंटर लेडी मैकडफ, हर सन एंड रॉस. 3 लोग आते हैं. वाइफ आती है, सन आता है और रॉस इज देयर. Lady Macduff, what has he done to make him fly the land? Ross, you must have patience, madam. Lady Macduff, he had none. His flight was madness. When our actions do not, our fears do make us traitors. All right. And the lady says, what had he done that he fled the country? Ross says, well, before you kind of start believing in something, before you come up with a theory, kindly have some patience. And Lady Macduff says, he had no patience. He simply left us. His flight was madness. When our actions do not, our fears do make us traitors. Even when we have done nothing, we are still traitors for running away in fear. अब जो भाग के गया हो ना, तो फिर सबको यही लगेगा कि that you are a traitor. तो उसको भागना नहीं चाहिए था. She should not have left. 5. Ross, you know not whether it was his wisdom or his fear. And Ross is trying to defend Macduff और कहता है कि we don't know, क्या पता उसने out of wisdom ये action लिया हो, because as far as I know, Macduff is not a coward. तो डरेगा तो नहीं. Lady Macduff, wisdom? To leave his wife, to leave his babes, his mansion and his titles in a place from whence himself does fly. और Lady Macduff कह रही, you are saying it's wisdom? He has left his family back in a place जहां उसको खुद ही डर लग रहा था, वहां उनको छोड़ के वो चला गया है. He loves us not. He wants the natural touch. For the poor wren, the most diminutive of birds, will fight her young ones in her nest against the owl. And she says that Macduff does not have natural feelings. Even a small bird like a wren, when her children are attacked by an owl, it will fight the much bigger owl. और इसको देखो, ये पहले ही उसमें भाग गया हमको सबको छोड़ के. छोटी चिड़िया भी लड़ रही है यार बड़े आउल से अपने बच्चों को बचाने के लिए. As little is the wisdom where the flight so runs against all reason. And she says there is no wisdom in what he has done. When it is so unreasonable to run away, it shows neither concern for his family nor wisdom, but only selfish fear. Ross, my dearest cousin, okay, I pray you school yourself. You kind of have control over your emotions. But for your husband, he is noble, wise, judicious, who can take decisions, uses his discretion, अपने विवेक का इस्तेमाल करता है, and best knows the fifth ocean, and he understands the environment, the situation right now. I dare not speak much further, but cruel are the times when we are traitors and do not know ourselves, when we hold rumor from what we fear, yet know not what we fear, but bloat upon a wild and violent sea. And Ross is saying that problem is the atmosphere that is right now there in Scotland. We ourselves don't know how we are behaving. We have no control over our thoughts or behavior. Every single rumor confuses us. Okay. We believe in rumors because we are fearful. और ये जो अफवाहें उड़ रही हैं कि ऐसा हो रहा है वैसा हो रहा है, चूंकि हम डरते हैं, we are not sure about the situation, hence we believe in all those rumors. Each way and none. I take my leave of you, shall not be long, but I'll be here again. Things at the worst will cease, or else climb upward to what they were before. My pretty cousin, blessing upon you. And Ross says that this way or that, and finally nowhere to go. I take your leave, but I'll be back very, very soon. Until that time, I pray that you are safe. Things at the worst will cease. सबसे खराब क्या होगा? जो हो रहा है वो रुक जाएगा. In better cases, it will start improving and get back to where it was earlier before Macbeth, the tenant, came in. Lady Macduff, fathered he is, and yet he is fatherless. And Lady Macduff, she looks towards her son and says that he has a father, but yet he is fatherless because Macduff has run away. Ross, I am so much a fool. Should I stay longer? It would be my disgrace and your discomfort. It would be my disgrace and your discomfort. I take my leave at once. And Ross says that it will really not suit us to continue this conversation, and hence I don't want to stay here and make a fool of myself. I'll take immediate leave. And he goes. Lady Macduff, Sirrah. It is an endearing kind of celebration for the child. Sirrah, your father's dead. And what will you do now? How will you live? And she says to her son, your father is dead. Ab kya karoge? Kaise zinda rahoge? Kya? How will you manage? Son, as birds do, mother. And this is a kind of a dramatic relief from all the tension that has kind of been built up. तो अब ना मदर एंड उसके सन का एक बड़ा प्यारा सा एक कन्वर्सेशन होता है, तो जिसमें ऑडियंस ना थोड़ा भूल जाती है कि यार चीजें इतनी ग्रेव हैं. So she is taunting the son that how will you live? Yeah, you don't have a father now. And the son says, as birds do, mother. Lady Macduff, what? With worms and flies? Okay, like you live with worms and flies. Son, with what I get, I mean, and so do they. With whatever I get, just like the birds, they survive with whatever they get, and so will I. Lady Macduff, poor bird, thou'st never fear the net, nor lime, the pitfall, nor the gin. And she says, okay, poor bird, aren't you scared of fear the net, various methods of catching birds? The net, the lime, sticky lime, or on tree branches, the pitfall, covered hole, or the snare. Aren't you scared of all this? चिड़िया पकड़ने के जो various तरीके हैं उससे तुम्हें डर नहीं लग रहा? If you live like a bird, as you say. Son, why should I, mother? Poor birds, they are not set for. Poor birds के लिए कोई trap नहीं बिछाता है. My father is not dead for all you're saying. And secondly, I don't believe that my father is dead. तुम जितना भी बोलती रहो, I just don't believe that he's dead. Lady Macduff, yes, he is dead. How will thou do for a father? How will you do without a father? Son, nah. And how will you do for a husband? How will you do kind of without a husband? तो बच्चा लगातार काउंटर मार रहा है, हार नहीं मान रहा वो. Lady Macduff, why? I can buy me 20 at any market. And she says, oh, I can go to the market and buy 20 husbands. Son, then you will buy to sell again. And in that case, if you plan to do that, then I assume that you'll buy them and sell them. Lady Macduff, thou speakest with all thy wit, and yet I faith with wit enough for thee. And she says that you speak with all intelligence, and perhaps more intelligence, which is kind of termed right for your age. Son, was my father a traitor, mother? And चूंकि बच्चे ने वो कन्वर्सेशन सुना है रॉस और उसकी मदर के बीच में, तो ट्रेटर वर्ड हैज काइंड ऑफ come up an n number of times. So he finally asks, मम्मी इसका मतलब क्या होता है? What is a traitor? Was my father a traitor? Yeah, that he was, son. And what is a traitor? Why on that swears and lies? And then she says that traitor वो होता है जो promise करता है but तोड़ देता है. Why? One that swears and lies, who takes an oath but breaks it. Son, and be all traitors that do so. And जो कोई भी ऐसा करता है who takes an oath but breaks it, are they all traitors? Lady Macduff, everyone that does so is a traitor and must be hanged. Son, and must they all be hanged that swear and lie? And you are talking about a traitor, but every traitor, should they all be hanged? Lady Macduff, everyone, her ek, son, who must hang them? Lady Macbeth, why? The honest men. बच्चा कहता है तुमको हैंग करेगा कौन? तो she says, all the honest men, they will do the job. Then the liars and swearers are fools. अब बच्चे ने बोली अकल की बात. then the liars and swearers are fools. For there are liars and swearers enough to beat the honest men and hang them up. And son says, फिर तो ना मुझे लग रहा है कि ये जो traitors हैं, people who swear and people who lie, they are fools, because the number of such people is much higher than the honest ones. And these liars, they can easily kill the honest men and in fact beat the honest men and hang them instead. Lady Macduff, now God help you, poor monkey. But how will thou do for a father? लेकिन तुम बिना पापा के कैसे काम चलेगा तुम्हारा? Son, if he were dead, you would weep for him. Now he counters again that, पहली बात, I don't believe my father is dead. If he were dead, you would have been weeping. If you would not, it were a good sign that I should quickly have a new father. And since you're not crying, I assume that I am in for a new father very, very, very soon. So why do I need to worry? Poor prattler, how thought. मम्मी के उसमें बोलती, क्या छोटा सा बच्चा कितनी बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर रहा है. Enter a messenger. और यहाँ पे एक messenger आता है भागता हुआ. Bless you, fair dame, woman. I'm not to you known, I'm not known to you. Though in your state of honor, I am perfect. But I clearly know who you are. अब भाई वो थेन की वाइफ है. So people will know her, right? I doubt some danger does approach you nearly. If you will take a homely man's advice, be not found here. And he says कि अगर तुम मेरी advice मानो, your humble servant, then please run away from here. Don't be found here. A danger approaches you. खतरा आ रहा है, बढ़ रहा है, पल पल तुम्हारी तरफ. Hence with your little ones. And बच्चों के साथ निकलो यहाँ से. To fright you thus, methinks I am too savage. And आपको इतने डराने के लिए ना, I think that I am being very, very brutal. To do worse to you were fell cruelty, which is too nigh your person. Heaven preserve you. And I dare abide no longer. And he exits. He wants Lady Macduff to leave the castle as soon as possible, along with her children. And he says that I should not have spoken in language that really frightens you, but this is it. This is true. And I am leaving right now. Lady Macduff, whither should I fly? मैं जाऊं कहां? And why? I have done no harm. मैंने कोई गलत तो किया नहीं है. But I remember now, I am in this earthly world where to do harm is often laudable, to do good sometime accounted dangerous folly. Now imagine the genius of Shakespeare. When did he write this play? And this is so relevant even today, that even today in most parts of the world, the person who is a kind of brutally powerful, he's respected. Whereas a humble man, honest man, nobody cares for him. So that is what I say, that Shakespeare is a genius in terms, the emotions, the characters that he built in those times, they are so relevant even today. Why then, alas, do I put up that womanly defense to say I have done no harm? And she realizes that whatever she's saying is of no use, that I have done no harm, so no harm should come to me. And she says, this is useless. Enter murderers. And Macbeth ने तो कसम खाई थी ना कि सबको मार डालेगा, तो उसने murderers भेजे हैं. Where are these faces? A murderer. Sorry, what are these faces? Who are you? A murderer. Where is her husband? Lady Macduff, I hope in no place so unsanctified where such thou mayest find him. And she says, I hope he's not in such an unholy place where you will find him. इतनी घटिया जगह पे भी ना हो वो जहां तुम उसको ढूंढ लो. Murderer, he is a traitor. Son, thou liest, thou shag-haired villain. And बच्चा फिर भड़क जाता है उसके पापा को, ट्रेटर बोलते हैं कि you are lying, you shaggy-haired. A murderer, what? You egg? A murderer भी गुस्सा होता है, ये अंडे. Young fry of treachery. Young fry of treachery. Traitor घोषित किया है उसको, young fry of treachery. Kills him. And he kills the son. Son, he has killed me, mother. Run away, I pray you. Exit Lady Macduff crying. Murderer pursued by murderers with her son. बेटे को तो मार दिया है. And the scene ends with Lady Macduff trying to run away and the murderers in hot pursuit. So Macduff's family तो हो गई साफ. तो मैकबेथ ने एक काम जो कहा था ना कि अब से जो सोचूंगा तुरंत कर लूंगा, आई विल नॉट वेट, there will be no gap in my thought and in my action. तो वो उसने कर दिखाया. Macduff's family has been wiped out. And that was Act 4, Scene 2. And now let's see how Macduff retaliates and what can he do when the news reaches him that his family has been murdered. बने रहो